Number one, Bahasa. Number two, English. Number three, Chinese, including UEC. You see my approach? It's not zero-sum game. We start with the national agenda, Bahasa. We acknowledge the importance of English. There are calls among the elites, Bangsa elites in particular. English, nothing else but English. You don't realize then that 80% will go up and say, look, these guys have completely abandoned the national agenda. That is why I think crafting a policy, this sensitivities must be acknowledged. So we have Bahasa, we have English, and not a matter of just continuing the existing program, but to ensure that the level of proficiency, I reiterate this point, we are talking about enhancing proficiency in English language for our own survival, for the survival of our children, our sons and daughters in the globalized world. And it has been the option in many countries. Now, having said that, we also have, this is a legacy issue. It's not my choice, but it's from the beginning. We have international schools, English as a medium of instruction, and we have Sarawak themselves. They decided to use more English, which is fine with me. And then we have Chinese stream and the Tamil stream. What do we do with them? And therefore, when I said yesterday, unfortunately, it's not taken in the total context. Those who disagree say, oh, look, I know, he's no longer a reformist, you see, he just talk about Bahasa. Please, for sake, listen. What I say is what I'm repeating today. Number one, Bahasa. Number two, English. Number three, Chinese, including UEC. I fail to understand why there was so much anxiety, even anger, by saying that, I've discarded our national policy. It's not true. But there is a difference. I don't believe that we will succeed if the Indians just talk about Tamil education, period, and the Chinese talk about UEC, and ignoring the importance of the Bahasa and English at the same time. Give this allowance and space for our children and our parents to decide. And therefore, there should be, as I said yesterday, in the university's curriculum, allowance for